Hello everyone, in this module we are going to learn how to install Matplotlib and we are going to cover installation, upgradation and uninstallation of a Matplotlib using pip package. So before we install Matplotlib, we must have to make sure of the following prerequisites. Make sure Python and pip both are installed in your system. Basically, pips comes pre-installed with Python, but still if you want to check whether it is installed or not, you can. When you install Python, the window something like that appears. It has two options to install Python. The first one is install now and the another one is customize installation. You have to click on customize installation, then you will get window with optional features, and at the second point you will get the pip feature, and make sure that the checkbox is selected, and with this you will get pre-installed pip with the Python. Now we will learn to install Matplotlib. For the smooth installation of Matplotlib, I would suggest you to follow the following steps. Now the first step is you need to open the Windows command prompt on your system. You can simply do that by searching CMD in Windows search box, and you have opened the CMD on your system. Now before we start the installation of a Matplotlib, first check whether Python is installed in your system or not. To check that, you have to type the command python hyphen version and hit enter. You will get the version which is installed in your system. Here I get 3.9.8, which means that the Python with 3.9.8 version is installed in my system. Then the next step is to upgrade pip, as we are going to use pip package to install Matplotlib. It is necessary to upgrade it into the latest version as it usually comes with the older one. So for that we have to write the command python -m pip install upgrade pip and hit enter. It will upgrade your pip. The next step is we have to create the directory in which we want to create our Matplotlib project. For this we have to follow some steps. Now I want to create the directory in my G drive. So firstly I move to G drive. Then I want to create a directory with the name my directory. For that I use the mkdir command and write the name of my directory, which is my directory. Then I hit enter. Now I have to move to the above created directory. For this I use the cd command. Now you can see that I have successfully moved to my working directory. Now the next step is we will have to construct the virtual environment for our project. For this I have to write python -m venv and the name of the environment which I want to create. Here I name it as my venv. Then I hit enter. It will take some time to create it. Now the virtual environment is successfully created. Now it's time to activate it. For this I have to write the name of my virtual environment which I created, then the slash scripts slash activate dot bat and hit enter. Now you can see that I will get the name of my environment at the beginning of the prompt, which means I have activated my virtual environment. Now it's time to install Matplotlib in our virtual environment using pip command. So the command is pip install matplotlib and hit enter. It will install Matplotlib in your virtual environment. It takes some time. Basically, this command will install the latest version of Matplotlib in my system. But if you want to install some different version or a specific version in your system, type the following command: pip install matplotlib double equals to the version which you want to install. Here write 3.4.2 and I hit enter. Now it install the version 3.4.2 and uninstall my previous version which I installed earlier. It will take some time. Now you can clearly see that it uninstalls the version 3.5.1 and install the version 3.4.2. Now before we create our Matplotlib project, it is always a good to check whether Matplotlib is successfully installed or not. For this, you have to access the Python shell. Simply write Python in your terminal. It will move you to the Python shell. Now write import Matplotlib and hit enter. Now write matplotlib dot hyphen hyphen version hyphen hyphen and hit enter. It will show you the version which is installed in your system. At that moment the 3.4.2 version is installed in my system. With this we learn how we can install matplotlib. Now it's time to learn how we can upgrade matplotlib. Definitely in future Matplotlib release its new stable version. So at that moment you need to upgrade it to the newest one, and there are also many reasons to upgrade it. The following are the reason. The first one is it add more features and it come with the improvement, and the other biggest reason for the upgradation of the Matplotlib is the bugs fixation, and it always keep your server maintained and even it increase the productivity of your project. Now we learn how we can upgrade our Matplotlib to the latest version. To upgrade it to the latest one, you have to write pip install matplotlib space hyphen hyphen upgrade and hit enter. It will install the newest one. Now again we verify which version is installed now. So I move to the Python shell again and type the commands import matplotlib, and then I now write matplotlib dot hyphen hyphen version hyphen hyphen. Now you can see that 3.5.1 is the latest version at that moment, which is upgraded by using the following command. Now we will learn how we can uninstall matplotlib. Maybe at some time you want to uninstall matplotlib. For this I will show you how you will uninstall it. For this you have to write pip uninstall matplotlib and hit enter, and then you have to write y and hit enter, which means you want to proceed, and you can see that it successfully uninstalled matplotlib from your system. So if you are using some other operating system, don't worry, you will get all the commands from our course documentation. And in our next module we are going to learn how we can install matplotlib using a conda package.